I'm Leonard Lou, Global Sourcing Manager at Avnan. I'm responsible for developing new suppliers, working with engineering, quality, and sales team in the NPI projects, and ensuring that new products are launched per the customer requirements. I'm also responsible for building, maintaining, and nurturing relationships with suppliers. Within Avnan business model of offering customized products and operating with a high mix, low volume structure, the biggest challenge in sourcing components is getting the most competitive price from reliable sources. Another challenging scenario is when there are very limited alternate parts to find on BOM. Low options on BOM means less negotiating power and therefore creates less optimal pricing for our customers. The third challenge, or let me see, the reality is the market price fluctuates. Price fluctuations can result from uncontrollable market volatility that even affect big components manufacturers and distributors cannot lock the price for their customer. So we have to deal with the reality on a daily basis. We ensure the quality and reliability of source components by working with only authorized distributors or directly with components manufacturers, or in some very rare cases, when the components are really hard to find in the market, we will have to work with reputable existing brokers. To manage and mitigate risks that comes with sourcing process, for me, the solution is build up and work with backup supplies. Although in theory, it's more effective and efficient to work with a one-stop shop supply, it might not always be the best solution. Having alternate supplies provides peace of mind in difficult times. Another way to mitigate risks is to ensure you work with suppliers with a proven track record. We work with a few world-class global suppliers, but are always looking to expand our network by finding new suppliers. When thinking new suppliers, we use Avnan new supply sourcing and qualification process to vet them and spend 1 to 2 years building and testing the new relationship before we engage them in a project to ensure they can meet our expectations and requirements. We make every effort to build, maintain, and cherish the long-term relationship with our suppliers. Perfection is what we strive for, but in many cases we have to pick 2 out of the 3. Sometimes lead time loses, and other times cost does. When a compromise has to be made, we listen to what our customers' priority and preference is and follow their direction. But we recommend against compromising quality at all costs because we know this can impact our customers' business and reputation dramatically. At Avnan, we are conscious about the sustainable practice and trying to implement them throughout our whole process. We work with our suppliers who abide by the respective laws, regulations, and compliance. We check whether ISO 4001 certificates are available at their facility or not. We have added sustainability requirements to the existing annual supply performance review. We always want to negotiate the best price for our customers so they can increase their profitability. In order to that, we have to negotiate well on their behalf. But as a first step, we work with the internal stakeholders and gather insights and understand all the requirements. Then we work with the suppliers to get favorable terms that work for all parties. Give and gain, win-win is the foundation and principle for all different kinds of negotiations. The only way to ensure timely delivery of components is to plan ahead. Review production schedules weekly or even more frequently, and know your timelines so you can meet the expected timelines of the internal team and the customer.